Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video I am going to be giving you a quick tour of my fall decor. I have started doing some Christmas decorating. As you see, I do have my tree up in my formal dining room, and I'll link the video where hubby and I actually put that tree up. But this is in my formal dining room, and this is the tablescape that I did for fall. I actually left it out all fall season up to Thanksgiving, and I'm just going to give you guys a brief overview of my home for the fall. And if you want to see certain areas in detail, I will link my fall playlist. And also, if you stay to the end, I'm going to be doing some of my unboxing for my Christmas decor. So let's just jump into the video, and I'm going to give you guys a tour of my home for the fall season before I start decorating for Christmas. So now we're going to take a quick sneak peek of my Christmas decor. We're headed into my she shed. And as you see, I have been going through some of the boxes, unboxing some stuff just to see what I have so far. So I want to share it with you guys. As you see, I have a couple of trees, some ornaments, a lot of totes, and each tote is sectioned by color or whatever area they were in when I did decoration. As you see, that tote was all mostly red decor. And here are some of my village pieces that I have to get together because I'm going to be doing a village scene, and I'm just sharing that with you guys. And here is some of my Christmas trees in the boxes, and then there's some totes back there also. And this is just one side of the shed. The other side, I have some other things, but this side mostly holds my Christmas decor. And yeah, I just wanted to share what inside of my shed is looking like right now. Like I said, we still have a lot of work to do to it, but this tree right here I got on sale at Walmart one year, guys, and this tree is awesome. So if you could still grab this tree up, please do so, because I use it year after year and it always looks amazing. This is a bag of ornaments that I got from the thrift store for like $8, and guys, I'm telling you, the ornaments in this bag are so beautiful, well made. The quality is just amazing, and I was so excited when I found them. And here are some more totes. So basically, I just want to share with you guys what I have so far as Christmas decor in my shed, and we're going to be decorating very, very soon. The next video will be a Christmas video.